Here's how to schedule Instagram posts and Reels. To schedule Instagram posts and Reels, you need a professional account, whether business or creator. So, launch open the Instagram app on your device. If you have not turned your account into personal account, then you first need to do that. For that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now find the option of account types and tools, select that. Here tap on switch to professional account, then tap on next. Tap on switch to professional account and follow the on-screen prompts. Once your account has been turned into a professional account, now you want to tap on the plus icon. From here select either reel or post, then go ahead and select your post or reel from here. Now you can edit your post using all of these tools, then tap on next. On this page, you want to scroll down and find the option of more options. Tap on it. Here, you should be able to find the option of schedule post. Go ahead and toggle this option on. Now you will have to select the date and time. Select that, then tap on finished. Now confirm your date and time, then simply head back. Now you want to tap on the option of schedule. Wait for some time until you receive the confirmation that this post has been scheduled. In this way, you can easily schedule Instagram posts and reels. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.